Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall discuss about random module within numpy library in Python. First of all, what does random means? By the name random suggests that it is forgetting any random number or random floating point number or random data from an array or creating a random array, right? So many people think that random means getting something different each time, but that's not the case. Random means something that cannot be predicted logically. It's just having a card from a deck of cards or like rolling a dice, right? While rolling dice we do not use any logic, right? So but how computers work while creating random module? They have algorithms named pseudo random algorithms. If there is a program to generate random number which can be predicted, it's not really random. So these pseudo random algorithms are used for creating just random number without any programs. Okay. Now enough of theory part here. Let us go and write simple programs by using random functions within random modules, right? For getting integers, floating point numbers, and data from arrays and creating random arrays. Okay. Now I'll import, I have already said that this is not a normal random array. This is random array from numpy module, okay? I'm importing random array from numpy module. And don't try to just import random module and use the functions using in this video by using normal random module. They may not work, okay? Some functions are common, but all the functions do not work. Now I'll have a variable named num and I'll have a random module here dot I want random integer. I'll just have a maximum value to be 100. Now I'll print it my number. Run. Yeah, it has returned a value up to 100 and also you can have some starting value here. I'll run it again. Yeah, this time it has returned a value between 20 and 100 and by running it again it may return different value or the same value again. Okay. Now for having floating point values you must have a function named uniform here. This uniform function returns floating point values as now we have got only integers here, but what if I want floating point values? Yeah, this time it has returned a floating point value, right? You can also give floating point input here 20.2 and let it be 100.8. Yeah. Okay, in this way you can also get floating point values. And we have a function named rand. This is also for floating point values, but only values between 0 and 1. Okay, rand. You can just have it like that, but we have some optional arguments here. Let us discuss them. Yeah, it has returned a floating point value, and this time I just don't want a single floating point value. I want some 100 floating point values between 0 and 1. Yeah, it has returned an array of 100 floating point values between 0 and 1. Now I have said that we will be getting random integers, random floating point values, also we will be creating random arrays, right? Let's go and do that. This time let's change this function slightly. I'll have my maximum value to be same and I'll just have my size attribute, let it be 10. Okay. Yeah, this time it has returned an array containing values between 1 and 100 with size 10. Okay. You can also have starting value here. I'll just have my starting value to be 20 it has drawn an array containing the values between 20 and 100 with a size 10 as usual. Now you can also have a two-dimensional array here. I'll just have a 8 by 9 array, just some random values here. Yeah, it has drawn an 8 by 9 array containing values between 20 and 100 again. You can also use rand function here. But remember that rand do not have any attribute. It just creates an array like that. Okay, this we have seen already. Now I want to have two-dimensional array here. Yeah, it has written a 5 by 3 array having values between 0 and 1. Now you can also get, we have created arrays, but what if I want to get values from array randomly? I have also said I'll be doing that, right? I'll keep my promise. I'll just have num is equals to random dot. We have a choice function here. Random dot choice. And within this, I'll have an array. Let the array be 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. At this time, I'll print my number. I'll run my program again. Yeah, it has done 5, a random value. In my array, I'll run it again. Running it again, I have got another value, but remember that you will get values only within your array. Okay, now I want a 3 by 5 matrix containing these values, but you may be wondering how 5 values can be placed within a 3 by 5 matrix like array, right? It contains 15 values. How is it possible? Let us see that. Let me have my size is equals to 3 by 5. I'm wondering if it returns an error. Let us see. Yeah, it has been run successfully. It has got all the values between 1 and 5, that is values in our array within 3 by 5 matrix, repeating the values. Okay. Now also you can specify the probability here. That is how many times you want your array to be run. But remember that the number of values within your array must be equal to the number of values within your probability parameter, and also the sum of all probability values must be equal to 1. I'll just have 0.20 each. I'm very poor at mathematics, so I can't accurately give sum to be 1, so I'm just dividing it by 5 and having 0.20 each. Okay. Yeah. This time we must be having all the values same number of time. We have 3 5 times and 5 5 times, 2 5 times, like that. Okay. In this way you can have values within your array. Okay. So that's all with random modules. So I'll come with another video. For that, please stay tuned. Subscribe my channel for more Python videos. Also click the bell icon to get the notifications. And also if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs. And if you have any doubts, please don't forget to reach me out in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.